cherry blossoms in the snow. It's April in Sammamish. And over the roof and through the trees you can see little bits of Lake Sammamish in the hillside. And the storm is dying down. But all day today we've been enjoying this on again, off again April snail showers. It's not snow, it's not quite hail. My 11-year-old calls it snail.